What's going on YouTube? It's Got the Night here coming at you with yet another video, and by the title of this video and the graph that's shown on screen you can probably tell what's going on here. So let's get into it. The source, as you see up here, I'll link it in the description. It's extremetech.com, and they're showing how AMD has slowly begun to outsell Intel here. So this is from, as it shows here, October 2017 till now. If I remember right, the 8700K and all that came out in September, which unfortunately we don't have on this graph here, but it's not a big deal because let's get into it here. The right here, AMD was kind of already, they were winning a little bit. You just see here that how they've just been winning kind of throughout here. So they were winning in October last year. They were winning again in November, but all of a sudden December hits and Intel took the crown there. And it was kind of over there. That was more when the 8700K and the 8th generation was really hitting its stride. So then, obviously, the 8700K was an awesome processor. It still is a very good processor when it comes to gaming and, rendering and stuff like that. But you see here, they gained some more shares. They stayed the same. Started losing again. And if I remember correctly, around this area is when the 2700K or X came out, is in April. As you see there, rose a little bit. AMD rose even more. They dropped off, but in July, evened out. And then, look at this, August. They won. AMD won. Now, September, if I remember right, the September-October area is when the 9th generation or the 8th generation refresh happened, and they rebranded it 9th gen CPUs. AMD's kicking ass, man. Some of the price drops on the Ryzen 5s, and just the overall availability of the 2700X. Not only that, the price to performance of the 2700X as well. As you see here, a lot of that's being sold, is actually the Ryzen 2600. A little bit more of the 2700X, the 2700, stuff like that. And like I said, in this area right here, this is where Intel just released a new CPU. As of right now, especially when you get into numbers for November of this year, AMD has been outselling Intel 2-1. Now, if you haven't seen my last video, I'm going to link it up there, right above my head in the top corner there. The video I just released about the Ryzen 3000 series. Now, if the Ryzen 3000 series rumors are right, you're going to see this number right here, these last 3 months. You're probably going to see them skyrocket. The price of the Ryzen 9, Ryzen 7, and what you get for those CPUs is really good. Yes, we have yet to see benchmarks and stuff like that, which is fine. But if you guys look at this, now we get into November or October. 71% to 29% CPU sold. Now, let's get into the Black Friday and all those ads. AMD did really well. 69% to 31%. So, yeah, they lost 2%, but I guarantee you they sold a whole hell of a lot more CPUs, as it shows here, versus Intel. Intel didn't have that many good deals going on like AMD did. AMD is just trying to get in the door again, and this is the nice part is, we have a CPU race again, and it's exciting, guys. We're finally getting competition between Intel and AMD, where Intel now thinks they have to get the ball rolling, because as you saw there, the i5s are freaking ridiculous. The i7s now, 6 cores, and now you have the i9 at 8 cores, 16 threads. Obviously, AMD did it first with the 2700 and 2700X. So Intel's really feeling the pressure, as you see in the sales. Yes, there's a few months in here that they did really good, but the thing is, AMD just slowly creeped up, and it's just that their CPUs for the price are really good compared to Intel. Yeah, you guys, Intel has the best CPU consumer-wise on the market. Hands down, it outperforms anything AMD has. But the price is ridiculous, guys. You can't justify that when a 2700 gives you really good performance for what you want. Yeah, if you're a hardware snob, absolutely. I get it. You got the money, go buy it. But this shows that AMD is for real, guys. Intel, you should be scared. AMD is outselling you, and they're outpacing you. Their next generation, if all the rumors are true, Intel, you're in a lot of trouble. You're going to lose customers. As it shows here, you guys are losing places in the PC world right now. So what do you guys think? Can Intel come back to this, or is AMD just going to keep chugging along and absolutely destroying and demolishing Intel? I want to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. So make sure you like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you dislike it, subscribe if you're new, guys. So this is Got the Night, signing out.